name is Bilkis Amalia, and now I will tell you about acid-resistant bacteria. Acid-resistant bacil can be said to be a bacterium that has a very thick content, so that the coloring cannot be influenced by other coloring reaction. This group of bacteria is usually pathogenic for humans, for example, Mycobacterium tuberculosis and Mycobacterium lepra. Acid-resistant bacteria can be isolated from sputum formation. In this bacteria, if a staining reaction is carried, it will produce red. Acid-resistant bacteria can be observed with Ziehl-Neelsen and Kinga-Gabbard staining techniques. Taking sputum for analysis can be done at any time. There are three types of sputum. First, morning sputum is a sputum released by the patient when he wakes up in the morning. Second, spot sputum is a sputum released at the time. Third, collection of sputum is a sputum that comes out and it is accommodated for 24 hours. My name is Tasya Safira Salsabella Misan, and now I will explain how to staining the bacteria with Ziehl-Neelsen mode. For the material, we have methylene blue as the coloring. We have hydrogen chloride alcohol 5%. We have carbolfuchsin, bunsen, cotton, and staining rock. For the first step, we must hit the slide for 3 until 4 times. After that, put the slide on the staining rack. Drop some carbolfuchsin over the slide until the slide inundated with the carbolfuchsin. When it cotton, don't forget to drop some alcohol, 95%. Heat gently over side until the fumes comes, but don't let the carbolfuchsin boiling. Throw carbolfuchsin and wash off with the clean water. Drop hydrogen chloride 5% over the slide. Drop it until the slide inundated. Wait for 2 until 3 minutes. Throw the hydrogen chloride 5% and wash off. Drop the methylene blue until the slide inundated. Wait for 1 until 2 minutes. Throw the methylene blue and wash it with the clean water. After wash it, wait until the slide dry. After the slide dry, we can use this preparat for observation. Don't forget to drop oil emulsion before you observation the preparat in microscope. Don't forget to clean all the material. Thank you.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Bizadullah. Now I will tell to you the procedure of onion carpet. Firstly, we need the slide and then staining rag and Kenyan liquid and then carpet liquid. Firstly, put the slide on the staining rag and then drop a Kenyan liquid over the slide. And then wait for 5 minutes. Throw the Kenyan liquid and wash it. Carpet liquid over the slide. Then wait for a second minute. Throw the carpet liquid and wash it. Wipe the slide until dry, and then we can use the slide to observation in the microscope. And don't forget, add the oil emulsion. Thank you.
I will tell you the difference between Zell-Nelson and Kenyan-Gabet staining technique. First, the difference between Zell-Nelson and Kenyan-Gabet staining technique is the stain use. Zell-Nelson staining techniques use carbofuchsin and methylene blue, while Kenyan-Gabet staining techniques use Kenyan and Gabet. 2. In Zell-Nelson staining techniques, there is combustion process until the white flame comes out. Well, in the Kenyan-Gabet staining techniques, there is no combustion process.
I want to ask you something. The question is, what is the purpose of the heat during the acid-fast staining procedure?
The function of heating process in acid-resistant bacteria is to open the wax layer.
Okay, the next question is, what is the function of the contact stain in the acid-fast staining procedure?
As a place to put a preparation when staining.
Next, are acid-fast bacteria gram-positive or gram-negative?
Acid-resistant bacteria can be classified as gram-positive or gram-negative because when the first staining, it can be replaced with even though hydrogen chloride.
For what disease would you use an acid-fast stain?
Yes, acid-fast staining is to use to identification tuberculosis disease for Mycobacterium tuberculosis and Mycobacterium lepra for the lepra disease. Thank you.
What makes a microorganism non-acid-fast?
A microorganism is said to be acid-resistant microorganism when this microorganism have a thick layer of wax so they are unable to absorb ordinary stain. Thank you.
Next question, what chemical is responsible for the acid-fast property of Mycobacteria?
The chemical responsibility for fast acid microorganism is a methylene blue and carbofuchsin for Zell-Nelson method and the Kenyan and Gabet for Kenyan-Gabet method.
The last question is, a gram stain an adequate substitute for an acid-fast stain? Why or why not?
Staining of acid-resistant bacteria cannot use ordinary cream staining because it will not open the wax layer. on the microorganism so that the color of the stain cannot absorb properly, so it cannot be observed with a microscope. So this conclusion is there are two methods for coloring acid-resistant bacteria. There are a zero-Nelson method with a stain are carbofuchsin, hydrogen chloride, and methylene. Meanwhile, Kenyon-Gabet method with a stain are Kenyon and Gabet, but without a combustion like a Zale-Nielsen method. Thank you.
It's enough for our explanation about acid-fast staining, and we are sorry if there are many mistakes from our video, and thank you for watching. And by the way, my name is Nidhi Samalia.
And my name is Anissa Fizatullah.
And my name is Achania Putri Puchasari.
And my name is Tasya Safira Sasabela Bisan.
Thank you.